Good morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I thought I would take a few minutes and do a walk-around video for you guys on our 1975 911 Carrera Targa that will be ending in a few days on Bring a Trailer. Gorgeous car in silver on black leather. Super rare. I honestly didn't even know these cars existed. I'd never seen one. And now that I have, I can't stop thinking about it. It is so cool. Gorgeous car. US car, spent some time in Europe and is back on our shores to impress us all. High quality paint on this car, and the interior shows just as nice as well. A lot of talk in the comments about rust on this car. I will state for the record, there is zero rust. Zero cancer in this car. It's never been rusty and repaired. It's never had floors zipped in, nothing like that. And check out this interior. This leather is soft and supple. Just gorgeous. Cocoa mats, beautiful correct steering wheel. Blaupunk, period correct. Excellent door cards, manual windows, so cool. Pigskin rear seats, this is all correct, so cool. This car also has a solid hardtop, Targa top, which I like. This is probably an aftermarket 70s item, but definitely more solid than the collapsible convertible type. Wing is in excellent shape. There's no cracking in the fiberglass, stress cracking whatsoever. Just what you want to see. All the wheels are perfect and correct. All the glass and areas, if this car was ever painted, the glass was all removed. Just a beautiful, beautiful car all around, and runs as good as it looks. Very impressed with the drivability of this car. This is the car you could drive every day if you wanted and enjoy. I certainly do every time I get an opportunity to drive this car. It starts easily. Gosh, I just love this body style too. So the wider SC style body with the single mirror and a Targa top, the Carrera motor. I mean, this is just Porsche rarity at its finest. So please bid with confidence. We're very impressed with this car, and I know the new owner will be as well. Someone is going to get a fantastic car that will impress even the harshest critics. If you guys need to see more or want more videos or pictures, make sure and ask for them in the comments. I'm happy to provide anything you might need. Thanks again, guys. Happy bidding.